The State Department of Corrections has launched an investigation after a YouTube video appears to show officers beating an inmate. Now, according to the person recording the confrontation, this all happened last week inside the Lake Correctional Institution near Claremont.
Channel 9's Megan Cruz is live here with us tonight. Megan, you have reviewed all 5 minutes of the video there behind you.
And here's a clip of it right behind me. You see a large group of correctional officers gathered on the prison's lawn as an inmate narrates what he's recording with his illegal cell phone. He claims the officers are beating up a fellow inmate. He names the inmate, but we're not naming him since the Corrections Department hasn't confirmed that for us yet. There are several times in the video where it appears to show officers throwing repeated punches. This video surfaced on YouTube yesterday. Hours later, the newly appointed Secretary of the Corrections Department issued this statement. It reads in part, "This video is deeply disturbing. We have zero tolerance for officer abuse or misconduct for any reason. The actions of these individuals will not be tolerated. Our Office of Inspector General has launched an immediate investigation."
Are we upholding our responsibility as a state and ensuring these environments are not abusive, violence, and difficult to live in?
State Representative Eskamani of Orlando has watched the video as well. She has plans to make unannounced visits to state prisons, she says, for concerns just like this one. The Corrections Department says it's already identified all the officers in this video but cannot release their names until the investigation is complete. Until then, the officers will not have any contact with inmates. As for the inmate in this confrontation, we've been told he's been moved to another facility. Live in the studio tonight, Megan Cruz, Channel 9 Eyewitness News.